to learn how to do our scatter plots on the computer. Right now I have a Mac up, but it's going to be very similar to yours if you have a Windows computer, and this is Excel. So I'm doing number 2.4, number 1, and then I'll also do number 3 in a moment. You already did this homework, but this is, you did it by plotting it by hand, and this time we're going to do it on the computer. So let's get started. All right, so I'm going to take my mouse and I'm going to highlight everything that I have there. What I've done is I've actually typed in the numbers from there. I typed in the X and the Y up at the top, and then I typed in all the numbers, okay? And I'm highlighting it, and then I'm going to come over here to my Charts tab, come into the Charts, and I'm going to pull it down, and it'll change what's there at the top. When I do that, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to pull down the scatter plots. And I'm going to be using the first one on the right. It's highlighted in green right now. When I pick that one, it'll bring up a scatter plot there. It does not have an X and Y. It doesn't have a line, and we're going to put a line in there. And our title is kind of strange, so we're going to actually change the title here. We're going to call it 2.4 number 1, okay? We're going to come in here, I'm going to grab one of, just right on top of one of the little marks that are there. I'm going to click on one of them. Doesn't matter which one you click on. When I click on one of them, a menu will come up. The menu here, I'm going to pick Add a Trend Line. When I add a trend line, it's going to come up here with, mine came up on this one when it came up first, but then I came to options, and it's going to pick linear right there, but these are the two things down at the bottom that I need. I need the display equation and the R squared. So I'll pick those two, and then I'll click OK. And I want you to notice now that you have your equation on there, but I'm going to move it out of the way because it's kind of in the way there. And now you have an equation and an R squared. And that's how you graph on your computer and get the equation of the line. I hope this has been helpful. Now let's do number 3. This is number 2.4. Number 3, and you already did 2.4 number 3 by hand, and now I'm going to show you how you can do it on your computer. All right, so we're going to highlight everything, and then we're going to get into the Charts tab, and we're going to click on that scatter plot right there. Okay. When we do that, we're going to pick the one I've got highlighted in green right there. And it should automatically pull one up, and I'm going to move it in a nice area, okay? First thing I'm going to do is change the title, and I do that by clicking on that Y at the top, just double-clicking on it. And it'll change. We can now type in there 2.4 number 3, okay? Now I'm going to click on one of those dots, any one of those dots, just click on one of them, and we're going to right click on it or double click depending on how you do it on your computer so that we can get a menu out there. When you do that, we're going to pick that Add Trend Line. We have a trend line, and then it's going to bring up our options here because we did it once before, but we can also, if we didn't see it there, we could click on that line and right click and format the trend line also. Make sure you're in the options tab over there. And we're going to click those two things at the bottom, display chart and the display R squared value on chart. Both of those, we're going to click OK. And we're going to move that out of the way because it's kind of strange in that strange area. And then we're done. We've got our equation.